Hello everyone, welcome to our 30 Days Python Learning Series. Day 1 Introduction to Programming and Python. If you've never written a single line of code before, don't worry. This series is specially designed for complete beginners, including school students from class 8 to class 12. By the end of this series, you'll be able to create your own Python programs and understand the basics of coding. So let's start our Python journey. What is programming? Have you ever given instructions to someone? For example, open the calculator, add two numbers, show the result. When you give instructions step by step to a computer, it is called programming. A computer is very smart at calculations, but it cannot think on its own. It only follows the instructions we provide. These instructions are called programs, and the person who writes them is called a programmer. Think of programming like giving a recipe to a chef. If the recipe is correct, the chef makes a perfect dish. Similarly, if the instructions are correct, the computer performs the task correctly. What is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is known for its simple and easy-to-read syntax, which makes it perfect for beginners. Unlike many programming languages that look complicated, Python code looks almost like plain English. For example, displaying a message on the screen in Python requires just one line. Print "Hello world." That's it. Why should you learn Python? There are many programming languages available, but Python is one of the best choices for beginners. 1. Easy to learn. 2. Beginner-friendly. 3. Used in artificial intelligence. 4. Used in web development. 5. Used in data science. 6. Used in automation. Where is Python used? Python is used by some of the biggest companies in the world, including Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, and YouTube. Now, we'll install Python on our computer and run our very first Python program. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit python.org. Now click on the Downloads menu. You'll see the latest version of Python available for your operating system. Click the Download Python button and wait for the installer file to download completely. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Before clicking Install, make sure to check the option. Now click Install Now and wait for the installation process to finish. Once you see the message, Setup was successful, click Close. Congratulations! Python is now installed on your computer. Next, open the Start menu and search for Python idle. Click to open it. Idle is a simple editor that comes with Python and allows us to write and run programs. We will write our first program. Click on File arrow, New File. In the editor window, type the following line. Print open parenthesis, quote, "Hello, I am learning Python." This command tells Python to display a message on the screen. Now save the file by clicking File arrow, Save. Give it a name such as hello.py. Now click on Run arrow, Run module. You can also press F5 on your keyboard. Python will execute the program and display. Congratulations! You have successfully written and executed your first Python program. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning Python with me. If this video helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more easy-to-understand Python tutorials for beginners.